What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan. We are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando, and today we are going to do a Howl-O-Scream construction update and see what else is going on inside the park. Let's go! And over here at the ticket booth, not much of a wait. Security was a breeze, same with parking. And getting in the front entrance looks to be the same. We'll be right in. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. Check it out, we have a new A-frame sign with a QR code for the Craft Beer Festival's dinner series. It's a nice day. No rain, at least on the forecast right now. I do see some clouds way up there, but it is boiling hot. Somewhere about 113 for the feels like. Actual temperature about 97 degrees. And the CDC has apparently changed their idea of what to do. So now we have some new A-frame signs outside of the stores or indoor areas. As you can see, you're entering an indoor area. Face coverings are recommended for all guests. Not required though. And check it out, we have a new map up on the wall, as you can see right there. But over here, this is what caught my eye. Howl-O-Scream is now over there, and we have dates September 10th through October 31st. That's awesome. Finally something actually notifying that the event is happening, and it's right here at the front of the park. You might remember in the past, this wall has had events for the different seasons. We can see Electric Ocean, Craft Beer, but right there, Howl-O-Scream, that is a new one that was added to the wall. Good to see. Dolphin nursery, very busy. And there's a rubber bloop right there by the window. Over here by the waterfront, we have new signage, Craft Beer Festival. And here's a sign showing over 100 craft brews. Again, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays through September 12th. You can get food and drinks. A-frame sign over here with the QR code. And then we have the Yuengling Welcome Center. And it tells all of the Craft Beer Festival dinner series right there with the different dates. It's kind of neat. And for those of you wondering, yes, Electric Ocean is still going on. Oh my God, it is a glorious day here at SeaWorld Orlando as the pink chicken boats, they're back on the water. Mako! Currently showing a 10-minute wait. Not bad. Let's go catch a ride, shall we? Yeah, it's not going to be that bad of a wait. And here we are in the station. Pretty much no wait. Let's do front row. And right next to the entrance of Mako and by Nalo Theater, we have new signage for Howl-O-Scream Orlando coming soon. Again, the date September 10th through October 31st. And just like we showed you a little bit earlier ago, the pink chicken boats, they're back open. Yes. All right, now we're over by Infinity Falls, and what do I see? Spooky stuff here at SeaWorld. That's different. Yeah, that's right. We have some of our first Scare Zone stuff appearing. Looks awesome. And Check this out. We used to have kind of a play area, interactive area, but it has been rethemed with Howl-O-Scream stuff. Look at that, that looks awesome. Beware of alligator. Please do not feed the wildlife. And that's kind of neat. They kept one of the alligators right there. See? And there's another building slash shed over here. Lots of new stuff. Love it. And just down the pathway, one final building. Looks pretty good. Infinity Falls, and believe it or not, despite how hot it is, only has a 35-minute wait. That's great. Yeah, that looks like a maze to me. We can see some of the theme work sticking up over the wall right there. And now we're indoors and we have that giant advertisement showing off SeaWorld Howl-O-Scream, September 10th through the 31st. And a maze right behind this. It's gonna be awesome. All right, this might be new, it might not be new, but they have a A-frame sign that says, looking for the nearest smoking area, please visit the Glacier Bar. And if you notice on there, it says Icebreaker, coming 2021. Not anticipated or anything else like that. And if that's a new sign, that's interesting. And here we are at the former entrance to Wild Arctic. Again, Electric Ocean right there. And very soon we should have some stuff for a haunted attraction showing up over here. We've covered it in the past that we believe Beneath the Ice is going to be right here. Now we're inside the gift shop for Wild Arctic, and they still have the area where you can go view the animals. And if you remember in some of our other updates, well, they had kind of a tarp for Howl-O-Scream construction, and it looks to be about the same right now, as there's a barricade and a little bit of a cover so we can't look inside there. But yes, one of the haunted attractions will be in there. Again, we think it's going to be Beneath the Ice. There's Icebreaker, and over here it says anticipated opening 2021. Not like the other one that said coming 2021. As for when, I have no idea. Come on, open already. Tired of waiting. And over here at the Icebreaker gift shop and photo and video area, well, no cameras or screens yet. Whoa, check this out. I take it back. There's been a little bit of work on Icebreaker as they have now installed the camera for the photos. Check it out. We have some Electric Ocean characters out. Hi, good to see you guys. Well, it has been quite a while since I've ridden Manta. With only a 10-minute wait, let's do it today. I absolutely love this queue. It's air conditioned, has aquariums, love it. Love. And here we are, we're in the station. Not much of a wait at all. Let's do front row. Yeah, it's a little busy here today at SeaWorld. Well, since we have done all the other major roller coasters, I guess we need to do Kraken. Let's go. Well, that appears to be new. We have some awesome footage up there on the TV. But yeah, I don't remember. They had drone footage, POVs, all sorts of information as well. Little improvements. I like it. And not much of a wait at all. Let's all not forget the upside down B&M seats for the seat chart. Well, since it has been a great day here at SeaWorld Orlando, let's top it off with some pink chickens. Oh, hi there. How are you? Lots of up close pink chickens. And the nests are over there, so again, hopefully baby pink chicken soon. Well guys, that's going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando, and we had a chance to check out Howl-O-Scream construction, and there's lots of it. Scare zones are popping up, new houses are getting built every single day. Love it. Icebreaker actually had some progress. We saw the on-ride photo was installed, but nothing over at the booth. Hopefully very, very soon. Of course, we have the craft beer festival going on. We got Manta doing a flyby. Electric Ocean is still going on. And yeah, we're going to be back for Howl-O-Scream and for more construction. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.